A big hello to my dear students. Today we'll be doing grammar, topic tenses. What is tense? The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Now what is present tense? A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. For example, I jump, I go to school every day. Yeah, next one now. Past tense. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. Like I jumped, I went to school. And now the future tense. A verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. I shall jump, I will go to school tomorrow. Yeah, now we'll see or understand the four forms of the present tense. We'll read the sentences first. I study. I am studying. I have studied. I have been studying. Yes. Now here the verbs in all of these sentences refer to the present time and are therefore said to be in the present tense. I will read the first sentence here. I study. Now in this sentence, okay, this is a simple present tense. Here the verb shows that the action is mentioned simply without anything being said about the completeness or incompleteness of the action. Yeah, now we'll go to the second sentence. I am studying. Okay, in this sentence, the verb shows that the action is mentioned as incomplete or continuous, that is as if it's still going on. So the verb is in present continuous tense. The third sentence, I have studied. In this sentence, the verb shows that the action is mentioned as finished, complete, or perfect at the time of speaking. So the verb is in present perfect tense. The fourth sentence, I have been studying. Here the verb shows that the action is going on continuously and not completed at this present moment. So the verb is in present perfect continuous tense. So thus we see that the tense of a verb shows not only the time of an action or event, but also the state of an action referred to. Okay, now we'll go for singular and plural. That is, if the subject is in singular form, how it changes. Okay, the verb changes, and how in plural it changes. So we'll see the first sentence here. The cat climbs the tree. Okay, now that only the subject, if we make it into plural. The cats climb the tree. See, dear children, here the verb is climbs and here it changes to climb. I will go to the next sentence. The cat is climbing the tree. That is, it's in present continuous tense. The cats are climbing the tree. So here is climbing is changed to are climbing when the subject is plural. We'll go to the third sentence. The cat has climbed the tree. Here plural, the cats have climbed the tree. So from has, it becomes to have. Fourth sentence. The cat has been climbing the tree. The cats have been climbing the tree. Yes, we'll understand the four forms of the past tense. Yeah, the first sentence here, I studied. Here the simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. The second sentence, I was studying. Here the past continuous is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past, like I was studying the whole evening. Yeah, the third sentence, I had studied. Here the past perfect describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. I had studied the whole lesson before he arrived. Yeah. Now we'll go to the fourth sentence. I had been studying. The past perfect continuous is used here. It is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Like example, I had been studying for 2 months. So it's a past perfect continuous. Now we'll see the singular number and the plural number of the subjects, how the verbs change. The boy played hockey. Okay, now when the subject changes to the boys played hockey. There's no change in the verb. Second one, the boy was playing hockey. The boys were playing hockey. Were. Third one, the boy had played hockey. The boys had played hockey. No change. The boy had been playing hockey. The boys had been playing hockey. No change in the verb. Yes, now future tense. We'll read the first sentence here. I think India will win the match. Now here in this first sentence, we use simple future tense to talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future. Second sentence, I will be staying here till Sunday. Here we use future continuous tense to talk about actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. Third one, he will have left before you go to see him. Here we have used future perfect tense. Here it is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. The fourth sentence, by next May we shall have been living here for 10 years. The future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Now this tense, future perfect continuous, is not very common. Thank you, children. If you like this video, press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on for more videos. Happy learning!